Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video we are going to cover a new topic. So we are going to cover what is Python, introduction to Python, where to use it. So as you all know, Python is one of the most trending and popular language nowadays in software industry. So basically what is Python? So Python is a high level general purpose programming language. It has a different and easy to understand syntax than the other compiled languages like C or C++. So it is similar to English language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. So it supports multiple programming paradigm including procedural, object-oriented and functional programming. What does it mean by the procedural? Like it has this language has a series of functions and procedures that operate on data, and the example of a procedural language like Pascal, C, and early version of BASIC. What is object oriented? Like it wraps the data and the functions that operate on data in a single unit. We call it as an object, and it also allows to create new classes from the existing base classes. Examples of the object oriented are like Java and C++. What is functional programming? Like it emphasizes functions as a primary building block of the program, and the examples of the functional programming like Haskell and Scala. So these are all programming paradigms Python supports too. So what are the features of a Python? Like first is a readability. Python has a clean, clear and easy to understand syntax. Due to its beginner friendly nature, Python has become most popular and first choice for beginners to start programming with. Interpreted language. Like Python is an interpreted language. It has its own Python interpreter which will execute code line by line rather than being compiled into machine code ahead of time. Cross platform and portability. Like Python runs on various operating systems including Windows, Mac OS and Linux. As the code is not compiled into machine specific language, it can run on any platform that has Python interpreter. It is versatile. It can be used for a wide range of applications from web development, data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and scientific computing. Large standard library. Python comes with a vast variety of modules and packages due to which developers do not need to start from scratch even for implementing complex functionalities as well. It has huge active community support. It has a strong active community which provides supports for resources, frameworks, and libraries for various tasks. So these are the features of the Python. So every language has its advantages as well as disadvantages, and Python is not an exception. So what are the Python disadvantages? Like first is a performance or slower execution. Python is an interpreted language which can lead to slower execution compared to other compiled languages like C or C++. So it consumes higher memory. Python can consume higher memory due to its dynamic typing and built-in data structures. Concurrency limitations, like global interpreter lock allows only one thread to execute Python bytecode at a time, so limiting the performance in CPU-bound multi-threaded applications. So weak mobile computing support. Like however there are frameworks available, Python is not widely used for mobile app development compared to other languages like Swift, iOS, or Java or Kotlin Android. There are runtime errors as well. Python's dynamic typing can lead to runtime errors that may not be caught until executed or execution, making debugging more complex. So where Python is used in real world applications. So because of its versatile nature, Python is getting used in wide variety of applications in various fields. So here are some most common areas where Python is applied. So first is a web development, next data science and analytics, web scraping and automation, CAD, artificial intelligence and machine learning, game development, Internet of Things, we call it IoT, cloud computing, education and financial services, and there are many other areas and domains where Python is getting used heavily. So these are some main areas wherein it is getting used nowadays. So this is all about Python. What is Python? What are the features of Python and where we can use this nowadays, where it is getting used. So this is about Python. So I hope you must have enjoyed this. So thank you so much for watching this. I will request you to please like and subscribe the same.